some interview questions. Hello guys, namaskar. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Shreya and today I will be talking about the interview questions, or I can say the whole interview process in Indigo. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to go to the param.indigo. I will link below of the interview. So you just have to go on that interview website, and अगर उनका interview आया हुआ होगा, so you just have to fill the form and everything, and the date will be given, and you just have to go to the interview. उसके बाद interview पे जाने के बाद first round for me was the self intro. They just asked, tell me something about yourself. So that was the first question for me. Then you say, my name is Shreya, your age, what you do, your many family members है आपके घर पे, all those things you tell. And उसके बाद I got selected. सिर्फ 2 people select हुए थे वो राउंड में. उसके बाद सेकेंड राउंड वॉज द GD राउंड. ग्रुप डिस्कशन बोलते हैं उसको. मोस्टली डिपेंड्स, क्योंकि बहुत जन का BMI राउंड भी हुआ था. उसके साथ साथ बहुत जन को GD के लिए भेजा था. मेरे लिए दे आस्क्ड मी व्हाट वाज द लास्ट वेकेशन यू वेंट टू. टेबल में सबको बिठाया था. देयर वाज अ सर इन बिटवीन हु आस्क्ड random questions to each person, like what did you do in your last vacation, where did you go, what are you doing currently, why cabin crew, ऐसे random questions. It was not kind of a group discussion, but you just have to talk. उसके बाद था कि then we went for our BMI round. The people who already went to their BMI round, उनको group discussion के लिए भेज दिया गया था. तो for me it was a BMI round. BMI round, they check your body mass index, which should be proportion, your weight should be proportion to your height. वो check किया, and उसके बाद they check your scars, if you have any scars, you have a clear skin, मतलब skin में कोई दाग धब्बे नहीं है and all. So make sure that you conceal every spot that you have on your face and you go. It was very easy. BMI round में हो जाते हैं पास. If you have good, check if you have any spots, पिंपल्स है या, और पूछते हैं कि ये क्या हुआ, वो क्या हुआ. मेरे को यहाँ पे थोड़े से स्पॉट्स थे उस टाइम पे when I gave the interview. At that time I just said कि it's just due to periods, I just apply some aloe vera gel तो ठीक हो जाएगा. They want to check कि तुम क्या कर रही हो, तुम्हारे पिंपल्स भी है तो whatever you applying just tell. और मेरे को लास्ट इंटरव्यू जो HR राउंड था उसके लिए भी उसने पूछा था कि what are you doing for the pimple on your forehead. So I just told, मेरे को तभी कुछ सूझ भी नहीं रहा था. I just said apply rose water and aloe vera gel every day before sleeping. द लास्ट राउंड के लिए बहुत टाइम वेट कराया हम लोग को, आई वुड से, बिकॉज देवर लाइक अराउंड 25 से भी ज्यादा थे एंड इट वॉज 1-on-1 विद द HR. एंड मोस्टली जो भी आप रेज्यूमे में लिखते हो, प्लीज बी वेरी कॉशियस अबाउट इट. कुछ भी मत लिखना, जस्ट राइट वॉट एवर यू आर डूइंग राइट नाउ और वॉट एवर यू हैव डन. एंड इट्स गुड इफ यू मेंशन योर लीडरशिप क्वालिटीज, वॉट एवर यू हैव डन इन कॉलेज. कुछ भी कॉम्पिटिशन में पार्टिसिपेट किया है तो यू शुड राइट ऑल दोस. मैंने बहुत कुछ लिखा था. एंड आई एम ऑल्सो भरतनाट्यम डांसर, क्लासिकल डांसर. आई हैव wrote many things about that, many competitions I have went through, so वो सब लिखा था. So he just asked me questions related to my resume, and also he asked me why do you want to join this profession. And I just went out. Then one ma'am came and she just took 3 names, the 2 of the girls who were with me and my name. She told me that you are selected and you can go for your lunch. So we were very happy at that moment. I just called my mom, and मेरे भाई को पता भी नहीं था कि I just came to the interview. He's like, really? And then this is what happened in my interview. इसके पहले मैंने एक इंटरव्यू दिया था. I was selected for PhD training, which is pre-hiring training, जिसके लिए मेरे को जाना नहीं था. That's why I gave the interview again and was selected for the second interview. PhD training में क्या होता है? Pre-hiring training. They hire you, but they give you training for 1 month. And उसके बाद फिर से एक इंटरव्यू होता है जिसमें you are already selected ही होता है, but still they think that there is some things to be improved in you. They give you a training for a month in Delhi, and then you have to give the interview again and then they select. तो मेरे को उस ट्रेनिंग के भी I guess नवंबर में दिया था मैंने इंटरव्यू. नवंबर 2022 में मैंने दिया था. देन मार्च क्या बोल रही 2021 में दिया, और मार्च 2022 में आई गेव द इंटरव्यू फॉर इंडिगो अगेन, वेर आई गॉट सिलेक्टेड फाइनल राउंड में. तो इतना कुछ नहीं है, जस्ट बी If you have the passion to be a cabin crew, you will become cabin crew. Trust me guys. Do your thing. पढ़ के जाओ सब जो भी है. Be good at it. Be confident. At the end of the day, आप उनके brand ambassador हो. You represent their company, so they want you to be confident and well spoken. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope this was useful. And if you have any further questions, please do let me know in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind. Be cute. Be smiling. गावात पडलं खाली.